Hi, my dear students. Welcome to Dr. B. Ranganathan, IIT Z NEET Academy. So this is my YouTube channel. So please subscribe, share and like students. So this is very useful for those who are preparing for especially NEET and IIT level. So it is very useful channel. So myself, Dr. B. Ranganath, I am chemistry faculty. I was, it means I was working as a various corporate institutions in India. I have 13 years experience in this field. So I have completed a PhD also, get qualified in 2010, plus educator in Unacademy plus students. Students, today I am going to discuss about effect of substituents on aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. Mainly effect of substituents on electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. So here it's mainly depends upon the ortho para directing groups and meta directing groups. So here, when the benzene, it will undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction, the identification of product is easy. So halogenation, chlorine will be substituted by any one of the hydrogen of benzene ring. But when it is difficult, if the mono substituted benzene means chlorobenzene, toluene, or methoxybenzene, or nitrobenzene, that type of means effect of substituents on electrophilic aromatic substitution. So if the substituent is ortho para directing groups, if the substituent is ortho para directing. So for example, so here strongly activating group. What are the example for strongly activating group? For example, this is the benzene. This is benzene ring. This is attached to the means here methoxy. This is strongly activating group. Or amine or amines, primary amine, secondary amine or phenol. If the benzene is attached to the phenol. So like this. So these are all are strongly activating group. This is monosubstituent. This is monosubstituent benzene. So here this type of benzene ring, monosubstituted benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. Which type of product is major, whether it has ortho or para or meta. So here the product formation may be ortho comma para when strongly activating groups like OCH3 means so here NH2 or amines, secondary amine, primary amine or phenol are moderately activating groups. Moderately activating groups means ethers or amides or acetamides or methoxy. So these are moderately activating group. Okay, and the next weakly activating group. Weakly activating groups means all alkyl groups. Here C2H5. This is C2H5. R means any alkyl group, whether it has phenyl. So phenyl also. Phenyl or ethylene. So these are weakly activating group. Or weakly deactivating groups like halogen family. Halogen family. Weakly activating groups are halogen family. Students, if the benzene is attached to this is G is strongly activating group, moderately activating group, okay, weakly activating group, weakly deactivating group. So what are the major products? Ortho comma para products are major. Ortho comma para products are major. So here it cannot be identified which one is major, whether it has ortho or para. So both equal proportions, 50-50. In the presence of only strongly activating group, moderately activating group, weakly activating group, and weakly deactivating group. So ortho comma para product will be major product. When if the mono substituent is like this. And next, meta directing group. What are meta directing groups? So here, for example, if the benzene is attached to the strongly deactivating group. Strongly deactivating group means, so here this G is deactivating group, like more electron withdrawing groups. Strongly deactivating, what are the example? N plus, R3, NH2 or NH3 plus or nitro group or CF3, trifluoromethane. So these are all are strongly deactivating group. So here weakly means moderately deactivating group. Cyanide, okay, cyanide, sulfonic acid, aldehyde, ketone, acid, ester, okay, are weakly deactivating CCl3. So in the presence of strongly deactivating group, and moderately deactivating group, and weakly deactivating group in the presence of CCl3 only. So the product formation is meta is major. Meta is major. So by heart this table, we can easily identify the which one is meta, which one is meta, which one is para. Okay, for example, student, I will explain one example. So here I am taking the one example, ma. So tell me the answer here. This is toluene, students. This is toluene. This toluene undergoes nitration. Nitration takes place in the presence of HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. So here, which one is electrophile? So when adding of HNO3, Nana, HNO3 plus H2SO4, it will be formed. NO2 plus is the electrophile plus HSO4 minus plus H2O. So here which one is the electrophile? NO2 plus is the electrophile. So therefore NO2 plus will substituted by whether it has ortho or para or meta. So because of it decides, which one decides? This decides the product formation. Therefore, methyl group is a which category? So, which category, ma? Weakly activating group. Weakly activating group. Weakly activating means the product formation may be ortho, para product. So, NO2 will substituted by ortho position and para position. So, here the product formation will be. So, this is product formation. So, here CH3. This is ortho product, and next meta para product will be formed. So this is the product formation, Nana. This is the product formation. It is easy. Okay. So what you understood in this concept, student, it's mainly depending upon the this. This decides the product formation. For example, student, if we take another example, so this is amide, acetamide, so phenamide. So here CH3. This will treated with chlorine in the presence of neutral FeCl3. So this is called halogenation. So here which one is electrophile? Definitely Cl plus is the electrophile. You know the everyone. So here Cl plus will substituted by ortho, para or meta. So it will depends upon this group. So this is strongly activating group. It is weakly activating group. Strongly activating group means the product formation will be ortho, para only. So therefore the Cl will be substituted by ortho or para position. So the product formation will be ortho product and para product will be formed. Para product. So this is the ortho and this is para products. So this is para product, students. So here it's mainly depending upon the substudent. It's mainly depending upon the substudent. If the substudent is strongly activating, moderately activating, weakly deactivating, definitely ortho, para product will be formed. Ortho, para product will be formed. For example, students, so if the substudent is, for example, Nana, so this is the substudent. So tell me the answer. So here, this is the substudent, Nana. COOH. It will treated with again chlorination in the presence of FeCl3. Means chlorination takes place. So here, what type of major products? So here, this substudent mainly decides. This is which type of category? Mostly moderately deactivating group category. So moderately deactivating group. Moderately deactivating group means which one is the major product? Only one, that is meta product will be major. Therefore, here which one is electrophile? Cl plus is the electrophile. The Cl plus will substituted by meta position of hydrogen. So the product formation will be, so this is meta-chlorobenzoic acid will be formed. So this is meta product will be formed. So therefore, substituent decides the product formation. And one more example, students. So tell me the answer. So here this is benzene. This is attached to CF3. This is attached to CF3. It will treated with CH3Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3. This is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. This is also electrophilic substitution reaction, Nana. So here, which one is electrophile? Definitely methyl plus is the electrophile. Okay. So here, CF3 is a moderately or strongly deactivating group. Strongly deactivating group means methyl will be substituted, only meta product formation. So meta product formation, Nana, CF3 CH3. So this is the meta product. So what you understood in this concept? It mainly product formation depends upon the substituent. If the substituent is ortho-para directing groups, product formation ortho, para. If the substituents is meta directing group, means what are meta directing? Strongly deactivating, moderately deactivating, weakly deactivating groups. What are deactivating groups? High electronegativity. These are electron withdrawing groups mainly. Okay, so this is the percentage of formation of ortho, para and meta products. So tell me the answer. One more question. This is the last question in this topic. This is benzene. Here it is attached to NO2 one. This is nitrobenzene, Nana. Nitrobenzene. This nitrobenzene will treated with, for example, chlorination. Cl2 in the presence of FeCl3. So what is the product formation? So here NO2 is a strongly deactivating group. Strongly deactivating group means the product formation mainly meta. So therefore here which one is electrophile? This is the electrophile. So the product formation will be, so NO2 here meta position is chlorine. Meta-chloronitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is the major product. This is only one product, that is meta product. So here the substituents mainly depends. For example, students, here for example, ortho-para. In the presence of only ortho-para, which one is more percentage? Which one is most major? That is the most important for nowadays in examination point of view. So here, what are the percentage ratio of ortho? What are the percentage ratio of para? Means which one is major among ortho-para? Okay, in the presence of meta-directing group, it can be easily identify the product formation. But in the presence of ortho-para, among these two, which one is major? That is the most important point nowadays. It is very, very important concept. So please listen and watch the up to the end of this video. Okay. So here, student, what are ortho and para ratio? For example, Nana, so if the substituent is activating, group, you know the activating group, whether it is strongly activating or moderately activating or weakly activating, like OH or CH3 or amide or amine, whether it is any group, and its size is normal, like methyl, okay, ethyl, okay, that type of product, or chloro. So these sizes are normal. Definitely the major product will be ortho. The major product will be ortho. Okay. Or when para product will be major, para isomer will be formed, thus will be formed as a major. The substituent on the ring or incoming electrophile is large. Incoming electrophile is large means, for example, NO2 plus. This incoming electrophile is a large, or SO3H. This is also this electrophile also large electrophile, or NO2 plus, or Cl plus, or SO3 plus, or Br plus, or Br plus. So these are large electrophile ma. So when para product will be measured if the substituent on the ring or incoming electrophile both are large. If the substituent on the ring means, for example, benzene is attached to nitro group, that is large, or incoming electrophile is large, the para product will be measured. And one more important is halogens are deactivating the benzene ring like fluorine, fluorine, bromine. Definitely maximum percentage ortho product will be measured. So nil for para here, nil for para. So nil for para position means 0% when if the substituent and the benzene ring is halogen family, undergoes electrophilic substitution. So nil is the para position. For example, I will explain one by one. So here, tell me the answer, my dear student. For example, this is the, so this is a methoxybenzene. This is called methoxybenzene, Nana. Methoxybenzene. Okay, methoxybenzene. Anisole. This is also known as anisole, Nana. Anisole. Okay, in this anisole, it will undergoes treated with N2O5, nitrogen pentoxide. What type of product formation will be measured? Definitely, this one decides measure. This is moderately activating group. Everyone is moderately activating. Everyone knows about moderately activating group. Moderately activating group means ortho, para. So now our question is, among ortho, para, which one is measured? So what are the conditions? What are the conditions? So here, students, substituent on the ring or incoming electrophile is large, or if the substituent in the activating group and size is normal, that is ortho. But here, students, here size also not normal and incoming electrophile also not normal. But which one is the electrophile? NO2 plus, this size is large. Size is large means incoming electrophile is a large. Definitely the product formation will be, so here which one? Which one? Expected product formation will be para. So but here the size of the substituent is normal. The size of the substituent is normal, ma. The size of the substituent is normal or not? Normal. Normal. So like CH3. OCH3 is normal compared to CH3. But here incoming electrophile is large. Definitely para will be large. Para will be major product, means percentage of yield product will be measured. For example, para product will be 71% will be product formation CH3. So here product NO2 plus will be attack on the para position. And next, so here students, so here also OCH3 para product NO2, both product formation will be, this is para product, this is ortho product. Which one is major? Which one is major? So here para product will be formed substituent on the ring or incoming electrophile is large, whether it has substituent or incoming nucleophile. So large means definitely para product will be formed. Para product will be formed. So therefore, so here how much percentage of product formation will be formed? This is ortho product will be 71%. Why? Because of this substituent is normal size. Normal size means definitely ortho product will be major. So here this is a 20% maybe product formation, the percentage of yield. And meta product also possible, that is 2% or 3%, or sometimes okay 1%. So a little bit, this is 28% now. So which one is major product? This is the major product. It will depending upon the mainly substituent. Substituent is normal. Okay, and one more problem, student. So for example, students, so if the example for in this, so here, uh, so here, um, this is benzene ring. This benzene is attached to the CH3 ma. This benzene is attached to CH3. So it will treated with HNO3 or H2SO4. Means sulfonation takes place. What type of product formation will be formed? What type of product formation will be formed? So here, which one is electrophile, Nana? Which one is electrophile? SO3H is the electrophile. In this electrophile, here the size is very means normal size, and one also larger electrophile. Incoming electrophile is larger. So therefore, the product formation will be major product. So you can write only major product. So definitely the para product will be formed. Para means here SO3, SO3H will be formed. So para product will be major on this reaction. Okay. And one more example, ma, you can check it out here. So here, for example, if you can easily identify the reaction, a tertiary butyl group, and the benzene is attached to the tertiary. This is bulky. It will treated with so HNO3 ma, nitration in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. That is called nitration. Which one is the electrophile? NO2 plus is the electrophile. Everyone knows about electrophile. So here, this electrophile is a incoming electrophile is a larger, and one more also here also substituent also larger. Definitely the para product will be major. The para product will be major among this tertiary butyl group. NO2 product formation. This is maximum percentage, student, 80 to 85% major product. But here only 60% is possible. Ortho product will be 40 or 39% will be formed in this one. Ortho products. Why? Because of it is normal size. So here SO3 product. So this is 39% or 35% product formation will be chances. But here both are, this is also large substituent. This is also incoming electrophile also large. Definitely 90%, 80 to 90% major product will be para only. Major product will be para only. Okay. So this is the, if the substituent is ortho comma para, which one is major? Okay. One more example, student. For example, Nana, if the substituent is halogen family, the substituent is halogen family. So here electrophile is CH3Cl and means Friedel-Crafts alkylation in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 none. AlCl3. So here which one is electrophile? CH3 plus is the electrophile. Okay. What is the condition? If the substituent and the benzene ring is halogen family, means it is more deactivating the benzene ring. Definitely the product formation will be ortho only. So ortho only. Halogens deactivate the benzene ring. So therefore maximum ortho product will be formation. So therefore CH3 will be substituted by ortho. What is the product formation here, Nana? So here the product formation is definitely ortho product will be major. Ortho product will be major. Ortho product will be major. So these are the questions based upon the ortho para ratio. Okay, tell me the one more question. So here, this is toluene. Toluene means methyl benzene. Nana. This is toluene. This toluene will be treated with chlorine in the presence of AlCl3. AlCl3. What type of product formation mainly forms? Whether it has para or ortho. Its possibility only two because of this is weakly activating group. Moderately or weakly activating group. Weakly activating group. Definitely ortho comma para product will be formed. No meta. Among ortho para, which one is major, whether it has ortho or para? So here also size normal and chlorine also size small. Both are small sizes. Definitely the product formation will be maximum percentage. Maximum percentage will be ortho or para? Ortho only. So here this is 60% product formation. Para product formation nearly 38 to 39 product formation will be from para product. So here 38%. So which one is major? Ortho is the major, Nana. This is the ortho comma para ratio. It will depending upon the size of the incoming electrophile and the substituent. So keep in mind these points. You can easily identify the major product, students. Okay, if the substudent is activating group, the size is normal, definitely ortho product. Substudent is activating, its size is normal, ortho product will be formed. When it is possible for para, it will depending upon the substudent. Substudent is large, incoming electrophile is also large, para product will be major. For example, halogens present on the benzene ring. If the substudent on the benzene ring is halogen family like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, the major product will be ortho. Okay, so this is the today class for the discussion of electrophilic substitution reactions, whether it is possible for ortho para directing and meta para directing. Among ortho comma para directing, so which one is major? It will depending upon three conditions. So please subscribe my channel. It is very useful, students. Those who are appearing for the examination like NEET, IIT, and local engineering examinations like AMSET or KCET. Okay, so please subscribe and share and like it my channel. So thank you, students.